Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone you are fine. Dear students, today in class 4, subject English, precedence grammar, I will teach you chapter number 7, common and proper noun. Students, you know very well that in previous video I have explained you what is noun, right? So in this video we will see what is common noun and what is proper noun. So students, everyone, you can open your grammar book. Students, let's revise the definition of noun. What is noun? A noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing. It's called noun. Now students, you can turn your page. Come to page number 34. Here let's see what is proper noun and what is common noun. See, first of all let's see definition. Students, here you can underline if you want both definition of proper noun and definition of common noun. What is common noun? A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or same kind. For example, man, woman, boy, girl, town, country, book, desk. These are common noun, right? So students, what is a common noun? A common noun is a name given to common every person, place, that is called common noun. Means जो common word होता है, जो common name हम किसी को देते हैं, किसी क्लास के पीपल को, या फिर एनिमल जो होते हैं, या कोई थिंग होती है, उसको हम कॉमन नाउन बोलते हैं, राइट? सी स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी हियर विथ एग्जांपल. Read the following pairs of sentences. Students, here you can see pair of sentences are given. Look at that monument. It is the Red Fort. Next, I have been to Mumbai. It is a big city. Next, that is Sarika. She's a pretty girl. So, see students, here the words that are written in color in the sentences above are all nouns or naming words. See students, here in these sentences, the name which are red in color, these are nouns. In these sentences, not only red but blue color names are also given. So students, these are called nouns. Now, what is common noun and what is proper noun? So, see here, the words in blue like monument, city and girl are general names, right? You can see here this word monument, then city and girl. These are general name. General means common names. So we can say they are common nouns. Okay. Now what is proper noun? See, a proper noun is the special name of a particular person or place. That is Abdul, Rama, Sita, Shirin, Mumbai, India. These are proper nouns. Right? Means what is a proper noun? Proper noun means a special name which is given to person, place or thing, that is called a proper noun. For example, Abdul. Abdul is a proper name which is given to a particular person. So we can say that Abdul is a proper noun. See students, here in these sentences also you can see Red Fort. This name Red Fort is a particular special name of a place. So we can say it's a proper noun. Same here, Mumbai. Mumbai is also a special name of city. So word city is common noun, but Mumbai, there are so many cities. But here it is talk about one special city, particular city, which Mumbai. So we can say that Mumbai is proper noun. Same here, Sarika. Who is Sarika? It's a girl. So this word girl is common. There are so many girls, right? So girl is a common word, common noun. But Sarika here special name, particular name. So we can say it's a proper noun. Okay. So students, I hope you very well understood what is common noun and what is proper noun, right? And one more thing you have to keep in mind that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter, right? Students, keep in mind a proper noun always starts with a capital letter, right? You can see here, see here Red Fort is written, so this R and F both are capital, right? See Mumbai, so M is capital, and Sharika, S is capital. So proper nouns, every first letter will come capital. Only in common noun, in proper noun, not in common noun. So students, I hope you understood what is common noun and what is proper noun. Let's see your exercise 2 so that you can better understood. In exercise 2, what you have to do? Complete the table below with common or proper nouns. One has been done for you. Students, here you can see table is given, right? In this table, common noun and proper noun both are given. You have to complete which is not written here. If common noun is not written here, you have to write it. If proper noun is blank, you have to write proper noun. Let's see. This is the column of common noun and this one is the column of proper noun. See here festival. This word festival is common noun. So what is proper noun for this word festival? There are so many festival, right? Eid, Holi, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan. So here you can write any name of particular festival and this will be proper noun. Next here you can see word month. Month is a common noun. So there are 12 months in a year. So here you can write any name of month, right? April, May, January, February, whatever you want to write, you can write here and their name will be proper noun. Now see here, what is written? The Bible, the Guru, Granth Sahib, right? So students, these are the name of books. So which one is the common noun for this proper noun? Books. So here you can write books. Now next one, which one is common noun? Country. So for this word country, which are the proper noun? Here you can see, you can write any name of the country. India, Bangladesh, America. Okay. Now come to next table. Here Chennai, Hyderabad, these proper noun are given. So what is this Chennai and Hyderabad? They are the name of city. So here which one will be common noun? City. Next, river. You know very well that there are so many rivers, right? So students, here you can write any particular name of the river, right? Narmada, Ganga, whatever you want to write. So this name will be proper noun. Next, the Charminar, Eiffel Tower. What are these? They are monuments. So here you can write monuments. Next one, religion. Religion are also, there are so many. So here you can write any particular name of religion, right? Islam, then Hinduism, and this will be proper noun. Now next one, Himalayas, Alps. So what is this? They are name of mountains. So here common noun for this one is mountains, right? So students, this one video for common noun and proper noun. And here our lesson is over. Students, you can see we have finished all the syllabus in Marigold also and in grammar book also of term 1 exam syllabus, right? So I hope everyone you understood very well what is common noun, what is proper noun, and all chapters PDF are also sent you in WhatsApp group. And one more thing students, maybe few students will be there who have not completed their written work, right? In grammar also, in maybe in Marigold or maybe in CW. So students, we are sending you drive link, subject wise drive link of particular subject. So you can go through that drive link. In that drive link, all chapters PDF will available there. So my request to parents also that don't message personally teacher that send this chapter PDF, send this chapter PDF. You can go through according to particular subject wise PDF drive link. In that drive link, you will get all subject, all chapters PDF. Okay? So you can complete your work with the help of that PDF. And one more thing students, in Marigold textbook, your Unit 3 poem run is there. And this poem is only for your recitation, means only for your activity base. So what you have to do for this poem, you have to by heart this poem with proper tune, and there will be no CW word for this poem. So don't be confused. Each and every time I have to say that whenever I was teaching you this poem in live class also, I have informed you that this poem is only for your activity. Even though also you are confused. So whenever teacher is explaining you, you can write it in your index that this poem is for activity base. No PDF will be there. Okay, so keep in mind this thing. Don't try to find PDF of this poem run. No PDF will be available in drive link. Okay, so thank you. I hope you understood all the chapters in Marigold also, in grammar also. And still students, if you have any confusion, you can ask me in live class. Work hard for your exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.